Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and super important topic: how do we predict who might win a presidential election? And to do that, we're going to learn the difference between statistics and probability. Ready? Let's go! Let's start with probability. Imagine there's an election coming up, and pollsters ask 100 people who they're voting for. Let's say 60 of them choose candidate A, and 40 choose candidate B. What's the probability that candidate A will win? Opinion polls show how many people favor a candidate. This represents our sample space. It's pretty simple. The probability of candidate A winning is 60%, based on this poll. It's just like flipping a coin or rolling a dice. We're estimating the chance of something happening based on a small sample of people. For example, if a poll shows candidate A has 60% support, we can say there's a 60% chance they will win. But here's the thing. Probability only looks at one poll. It's like taking a snapshot. To get a fuller picture, we need statistics. This is where we analyze not just one poll but lots of polls, and even other things like how people in different states or age groups might vote. However, this is just an estimate based on the poll, not a certainty. With statistics, we dig into the data. For example, candidate A might be more popular with younger voters, while candidate B might have more support in certain states. We also use something called a margin of error. So, if a poll says 60% of people support candidate A, the real number could be anywhere between 57% and 63%. Okay, so how are statistics and probability different? Well, probability gives us a quick estimate from one poll, like a quick guess. But statistics goes deeper. It looks at more data and gives us a more complete picture. So, the next time you see an election poll, you'll know that probability tells you the chance based on a small group of people, while statistics gives you a more accurate prediction by considering lots of information. In summary, both methods help us understand and predict election outcomes more reliably. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the difference between statistics and probability. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. And if you want to learn more about topics like this, check out our website at mitrainstituteofeducation.org. See you next time.